Right, so we're going to start chapter 9, which is articulations. Which just means joints. So these are the areas where bones come together and connect other bones, and some provide movement along with connections, some don't. So joints can be classified in two ways, basically by function and also by structure. So let's use a different color. So classification by function. In classification by function, we're looking at the amount of mobility. How much this joint can move. Okay, and there's basically three ways that we describe the movement of the amount of movement in a joint. The first way is zero movement. All right, so absolutely no movement. The second way is a little bit, minimal movement. And the third way is freely movable. So a joint that has no movement, virtually no movement, we call that joint a synarthrosis. Right? A joint that has a little bit of movement is called an amphiarthrosis. And a joint that has all movement, is freely movable, is called a diarthrosis. So really weird words. So arthrosis is just joint. So synarthrosis, amphiarthrosis, and diarthrosis. So this is from no movement, zero movement, down to freely movable. So you can kind of look at that. You link those together, you get the word SAD. So again, no movement here to freely movable here. Okay, so now we can look at joints through how they're structured. Okay, so the next video will be on how, or classifying the joints by their structure.